In this video, I'll guide you through how to link and connect Google Drive to PracticePanther. If you use Google Drive to store documents for your business, connecting it to PracticePanther can make managing your files much more convenient. Instead of switching between multiple platforms, you can access and manage your documents more efficiently from within your PracticePanther workflow. The setup process only takes a few minutes. Also, keep in mind that PracticePanther may update its interface from time to time, so if your screen looks slightly different from what's shown in this tutorial, the names or locations of some buttons may vary. But the overall process should remain very similar. To get started, sign into your PracticePanther account and wait for the dashboard to finish loading. Once you're on the home screen, look toward the top right corner and click on your profile name. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings to open your account settings. After the settings page loads, look at the menu on the left-hand side and scroll down until you find the Files and Documents section. Click on it to open the available document storage options. On this page, you'll see several storage integrations. Find the Google Drive option and click the Connect button next to the Google Drive logo. This will open Google's authorization page in your browser. Google will ask you which Google account you'd like to connect. Select the account that contains the Google Drive you want to use with PracticePanther. After choosing your account, you'll be prompted to specify your Google Drive path. Enter the requested path information and continue to the next step. Google will then display the permissions that PracticePanther is requesting. These permissions allow PracticePanther to view, create, edit, and delete files within your Google Drive so the integration functions properly. Review the permissions carefully, and if you're comfortable granting access, click Continue to approve the connection. A few moments later, you'll be redirected back to PracticePanther. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your Google Drive has been successfully connected. You'll also notice that the Connect button has changed to a Disconnect button, confirming that the integration is active. One important thing to remember is that PracticePanther only allows one cloud storage provider to be connected at a time. If Google Drive is connected, you won't be able to connect another cloud storage service unless you disconnect the current one first. And that's all there is to it. Your Google Drive is now linked to PracticePanther and ready to use. Hopefully, this guide helped you connect Google Drive to PracticePanther. If it did, consider leaving a like and subscribing for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.